Good morning, or afternoon. Whenever you're seeing this is day two, and I'm up. I gotta go get my hair done. I don't know if I'll be able to get it done today, but I gotta get my hair done. If not, then I'll just throw my cap back on. We're here in St. Elizabeth at one of my friend's house, and that's where we're staying. And came in last night, and it was just a vibe last night. It's just a good vibe. I'm tired, and I just did some overhead shot with the drone, so I'm gonna show you guys the view, the beauty right now. So check it out. It's in this clip. Go ahead and look at it right now.
OTW Experience.
I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby, I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. Says, my mind, my mind, and my body. My body says, my mind, my mind, and my heart. My body says, I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is, but you got me going crazy. Just you is so amazing. How long can you go, baby? At last, till my body's so crazy. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby, I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body.
What's good, guys? What's going on? OTW Experience. We're back. So As you guys saw that overhead shot, get ready and now I'm gonna go out on the Pelican Bar for the first time. Still here with the team, and later on we're gonna link up with the rest of the guys them. You know that the settings go, but right now, for now, we're gonna go to the Pelican Bar. They said it's in the middle of the water and it was destroyed in Melisa, so it has been rebuilt, so we're gonna support it, you know. As I said, build back Jamaica, so that's the thing, we're going there to do it. However, we stopped at a local spot, and we're getting some jerk pork and jerk chicken, so let's get inside to that now and see what's going on. All right, so brother there. All right, so we're at Shelly's jerk spot, and oh, she fixed that one there, do it already, but I heard it's the best up here still, so I'm not get to try it yet. And
the pork are the best.
Pork are the best, and chef run a back. Big up yourself, chef.
Yes, sir.
Blessed morning.
Morning.
Right. What you have in there, stuff on the stove?
Chicken foot soup.
Chicken foot soup, you ready yet?
Not yet, man.
Not yet?
No.
Jeez, it's ready by the time we come back though.
Yeah.
That is it. In Jamaica we call it steppers. Alright. So she have jerk pork and festival. What that them going with the chicken?
Yeah.
May I get the pork?
Alright, how much pork you want?
I don't know, just give me like what, quarter pound, I don't know.
Half pound.
Half pound, yeah.
Half pound.
Half pound, yeah.
Alright.
Will be good. You understand, guys? I guess from jerk
Part
pork.
from the pork, you love the skin.
The pork.
Pork.
Yes. So, that. Nice. Ooh. And last night when we came, it was late, and she was gonna make us jerk pork, but it was too late, and then we have to tell her stop. So you see, that's how you treat your customers real good. So if you guys happens to come by, which part up here's the name again?
Barbara Hall.
Barbara Hall,
Trustburg Lane.
Trustburg Lane,
Yeah.
link up Shelly.
Right up by the big church.
You hear it all, up by the big church, Shelly. Sticky in money. Ah, so YouTube, it's a vibe. Jamaica is a vibe. My hot though, me I sweat, but it's worth it. Yeah, because we're not complaining. We didn't I quote. Hey, you feel me sweat around on my back.
Ah, so.
All right. Shelly sauce, not the kernel.
You want festival funny too?
Ah, yeah. So jerk pork and festival. You know the vibes though. All right. That's it. Stay tuned. All right.
How much you go on now?
Catch it. Bo, brother, how much you want? How much pork you want? I just got half pound and she asked how much I want. No, I think she was doing them in separate portion. Yeah. All right then. chicken. Fried chicken. On the fly. Pretty and juicy chicken. Well seasoned done. Alright. Barbara. Gentle Elizabeth.
I'm so done with this stage now, acting out a part I don't know. I'm gonna drop this heavy crown, let some other phantom wear it down to play, 'cause I've played the siren for too long. Just want to feel now. From this dawn anew, we're all seeing through a different window, through this wide open space. A million stars could ignite. Move on over and give us some light. Show me a sign that you're with me. Show me a sign I can be just I just need to be real now. I just want to feel now.
Alright guys, so we're at the pickup spot to go to the Pelican. We're gonna go to the Pelican bar and food spot out in the water. Right. Brother that tell me so I can't wear shoes, so we have to have on slippers. So It's my first time going there. I think it's the second time, but it's my first
How
time.
stocks do we have take?
And we're going to see what it is.
Yo.
So this is what it's like heading on out there. So it's I think this is out in the water. I can see it from here. Wagwan. So after Melisa, you know, Melisa did a real damage out here. It messed everything up, and now we're at the Billback, Jamaica, and we're support as much as we can, you know, persons doing business, you know, local doing them thing out here, support them, and I try our best to see how much we can do. You know, sometimes it's not about even say, yeah, contribute thousands of dollars, but showing up, keeping the activities alive and sharing with them and making sure that everything keeps going the way it's supposed to go. So that's what's going on here, one of the main thing. You understand what I'm saying? So let's take a look at what's going on. So see, Melisa destroy a lot of things, and everyone is trying to build back. So it's all about trying to support and keep everyone alive. You know, it's their daily bread, and everyone is their honest working. You know, whether it's the boat, whether it's fishing, whatever activity that keeps this place alive goes on here. You know, we're out there enjoy the water. Yeah, I'm not really going in the water like that, you know what I mean? But you know, I drove to the town early on, and I'm not lying. If you're a Jamaican and when you see all of this that happened as a Jamaican, when you really experience it firsthand and see, if you don't feel that sense of compassion, that sense of sadness, like it's like a part of you has been taken away too. It's unbelievable. Like seeing it, I came here last year and I wanted to come down here to see what was going on. I never got the opportunity, so this time around I said I have to come and see what it's like. And the Billback Jamaica is going on. I was in Black River Town and I saw them at the church working, and it's just a whole thing going on, you know. So I think this is the boat that we're going to be going out on, heading out there. So he's coming in, and let's go see what it's like. It's all about business, it's all about life, it's all about, you know, building back Jamaica, hoping that we can get it back to what it was. So it's a local business. Keep supporting, keep, you know, staying together with your people, you understand? Build back Jamaica. So we're gonna go on the boat now and then head on out there. All right, okay, survive. Survive, it survived. Pray it survived. Going out there for the first time.
I've been thinking about you, and I've been thinking about our love and how much I miss your touch. I miss being around you, hearing your laugh and holding your hand. I think of you every day. I hope and I wish that you're doing okay. I want to go back to the old days because I miss you. And I just thought of you, so I thought I'd call you to tell you that you crossed my mind, and I took that as a sign that I should call and say hi.
Oh, yeah.
I lost my mind.
All right. We're here. We made it. I'm coming. It's a vibe. OTW experience. It's a vibe.
I'm kind of glad you didn't pick up. I kind of just called to hear your voice, so your voice recording was enough. I should hang up. What am I doing? So I feel kind of dumb, but I miss you. I've been thinking about you, and I've been thinking about our love and how much I miss your touch. I miss being around you, hearing your laugh and holding your hand. I think of you every day.
So we're here. It's a vibe. It's a vibe. It's a vibe. It's a vibe. When I go inside so crazy vibe. It's a vibe. It's a vibe. Oh, Jamaica. Still out here, having a good time. I think further on we're gonna get something to eat, but for now, it's just chilling, enjoying the breeze out here in the water and everything. Like, it's a good vibe, and if anyone get a chance to visit, I'll tell you all to visit. Like, it's a good experience. It's something spectacular, and I don't think the videos that I've seen, even my video, will do it justice. The experience is when you come in person, you see what's going on. And one of the most amazing things that I've just found out is that most of these boards that you see here, these were all washed away during Melisa, and they found them all over, you know, they were all over in the towns and all the areas, and these are just carvings of persons who have been coming here for years. And you know, he tried to keep the authenticity by saving and preserving the board, so you know, somebody will come back years after you see your name, so it's something good, you know. So that's what it is, you know. The Pelican Bar, it's amazing. It's a vibe. It's a vibe, man. We're out here, you know. So you got everyone just coming, supporting and keeping the business alive. And that's what it is, about support, and we're all just being one. So we're out here at the Pelican Bar, Jamaica. It's a vibe. Build back better. This is what it's like after Melisa. You understand? So it's a vibe.
Kind of glad you didn't pick up. I kind of just called to hear your voice, so your voice recording was enough. I should hang up. What am I doing?
And I am lost. It's a vibe. OTW experience. We're outside. That's what it is. Build back Jamaica. My country, my home. Alright? Loving it. Alright? So, and you guys wanted me to go on next?
Hi. I hope you don't think I lost my mind. I hope
You have to just try to get 1 foot up. Instead of get 1 foot, I want to find it.
the idea of you listening to this
I'm in your city tonight. Any lies make me feel so inspired. You ain't higher and higher and higher.
Oh, run it for the DJ. Oh, yeah, my rope. Easy. You can't do it by yourself. No, give me a hand. Give me a hand.
I was not made for the sea.
Huh? I like that goat, your captain.
Yeah, yeah.
OTW experience. It's an experience. It was good. We didn't get anything to eat because they take too long to ready the food. However, still have a much longer night ahead of us, you know, to link up with the rest of the time. Okay. Alright guys, we're back on the land.
And how much?
We just left all the way over there. You see there, right there. Right there. That's it. That's the Pelican Bar. And it was a good vibe. As I said, we didn't get anything to eat. There was a lot of people and it was just forever to get food. However, it was a good vibe. Yeah, so catch us for more stuff later on in the night. OTW experience. It's a vibe.
Anytime this year, Karen. Man, you just come back, Oliver.
You know no better.
I'm kind of glad you didn't pick up. I kind of just called to hear your voice, so your voice recording was enough.
Peaceful vibes. Loving it. Hear that? That sounds sweet, right? Country vibes. Life. Everything just nice. It's hot, humid, but it's just amazing. Love it here. Now in the hills, I chill with the goats. That's what I say. Just chilling. You can hear the roosters in the background. cows are over there in the pasture and everything. So it's a vibe, man. Jamaica is beautiful, especially in the countryside. You see, like hot, like that, an entire day of adventure. And this is what the OTW is all about. You will see the luxury side, and you will see the easygoing side, middle class side, and everything. The OTW experience. This is the life, you know. Humble beginnings of many Jamaicans. You know, so this is where we start. You can hear roosters up there. Just imagine waking up here in the morning. Just imagine waking up here in the morning. The sunlight beautiful behind me, right? It's beautiful. But it's the vibe. St. Elizabeth. Yep. Here we are. So, about to head on out of here. So later we're going to link up with the rest of crew and everything. So you know your settings, alright? And after Melisa, a lot of houses, a lot of places get destroyed by the hurricane. But you can see that a lot of persons are building back, and it's not gonna happen overnight. And I think one of the things that keeps everyone going is the strength, the belief and the understanding that life happens, and sometimes you have control over nothing. And it's not what happened and how dangerous it is, it's where you come from and how you build back. I think it's where you're coming from to how you build back, I should say. You know, it's the building back, the courage to build back, the faith and belief to just know, say, everything is gonna be better. I'm enjoying it. It's country vibes. Right now I'm hungry. I'm gonna eat some pork and some jerk chicken and drink some water, rehydrate myself, and then partake in some strong beverage. That's what it is.
Even though you're all alone and I can go, I just want to keep you warm.
rise up. Nothing where them do never surprise us. Hold your head up to the skies, yeah. Tell them say we blessed and sanctified. Cause as sure as the sun shines, we shall reign and we shall rise.